Okay, let's do it here. The way this works, yeah, so this is not a candidate for the sliding window because in the sliding window we are trying to minimize the window. Here we have a constant window, which is 2. Okay, so but here with the one pass hash, what we're doing is we're creating a hash, right? Hash, and as we loop through, loop through input, right? Check if current. So let's see. We add, right? Check if current in hash. Okay, so if current in hash, the current is in hash. So for example, let's just say we let's just say we're currently at I. Okay, so we add I to the hash, so 2, and complement is 24. Okay, and then we go to 7. Okay, is 7 in the hash? It's not. So we create 7 and 19. And then we say we go to 11. Okay, we'll create 11. And 15. And then we go to 15. Oh, actually, you get to 15, right? When you get to 15, so actually what you need to do is you need to place 24 to the opposite, right? Right, that's what you're gonna. So what you're gonna put the complement as the key and the current as the value. So does that make sense? Yes, you're gonna check if the complement. Okay, so let's try that. You're gonna check if the complement is. So let's see. So let hash equals to a hash, and for let I equals to 0, I less than nums dot length, I plus plus. As we're looping through, now we're gonna do let complement. Okay, complement. Now, okay, so complement equals target minus nums I, right? So we do that, and then when we said we're going to put the complement there, so if hash complement, right, is equal to nums I, right? If that's the case, then return I well, actually, you put in the index. That's what we want. Yes. So if hash complement, if complement in hash, that's what it is. If complement in hash. if complement in hash, right? So if we find that the complement is in a hash, then we return, right? Which is going to be, now it's going to be hash complement. And that should be good. Let's see. If we run that, it's the wrong answer. Okay, expected, you got that. Okay, now, what's the problem here? Okay, we're putting the complement. Well, yeah, I see what the problem is. If not else, right? So else, we don't even need an else, actually. So we put hash complement to I. How about now? Forgot to put that in there. The wrong answer. Okay. Right, what do we say? We said okay, if complement in hash, all right, so we're getting a complement. Let's see. Console.log complement. Let's see what's printing here. Okay, wait a second. Something wrong here. Well, it's not wrong. Yeah, 7, right? Because the target is 9, so it's 7. It's 2. It's -2. It's -6. That's fine. So we have the right complement. And if complement in hash, we do that. And when we go to, so we go to I, right? We say we go to I, and we say, okay, we check if complement, which is 24, is in hash. It's not, right? Before we put it in here. And then since it's not, we do that. Because if it is, we return. If it's not, then we say hash of complement, which is 24, and we put in the I. And then we go to 7, and we ask, we say the complement is, so complement is, in our case, right, because we're using target of 26, so it's 19, and is complement in, it's not. So, okay, so that means we're 19 and we put a 1. And then we go here. So complement is 15. And complement is currently not inside. So we 15 and we put 2. And then we go here. Actually, and the complement is 11. Okay, so the complement is never going to be there. So actually we have to, yes, okay, so that's the wrong way to do it. So actually what we need to do is number target, meaning if here's the complement. Right, so if I do the opposite, if I go to here and I say no, wait a second. Right, yeah, this is the way to do it. Right. Hash. So it's actually nums. Numsi. Let's see. If numsi is in hash, return I hash complement. And then we say hash complement equal to I. One and undefined. Why? Because I haven't defined it yet? Right. Right, because I haven't defined it yet. So how do you... Okay. Right, meaning if I got to... Right, and then let's say I got to 15. Okay, nice check is nums I. So is 15 in? It is, but hash of 11 doesn't exist. So it has to be actually hash I and well, it has to be hash nums I. There it is. My gosh. Okay, that was way too complicated. But let's see if I got better numbers. Yeah. So I got much better on the time, but it did not beat on the speed at all, actually. Okay. Well, that's the solution. Those are the two solutions.